Happy Saturday, you guys, and another just quick little video just to kind of share this. It's Saturday, so it's kind of busy here today, but I am getting some green onions in my dehydrator, and I thought I would just show you quickly how I do it. Doesn't make it right, just it's the way that I do it, so I figured I would share it. So what I do is I take green onions out of their package, and then I cut off all of the ends to where I pretty much see that majority of it is healthy, and then I just stick them in a strainer just like this, and then I will go through one by one, wash them really well, and then what I do is I use kitchen shears because it's just easier for my hands. I do have carpal tunnel, and I also have arthritis in my hands, so doing it with a knife is much more difficult for me. So a good pair of kitchen shears, and I just take them over here to this bowl and I chop them up. Now I do rough chop my green onions, so I make the pieces a little bit bigger because what's going to happen in the dehydrator is they're going to shrink up a little bit, and I just like them a little chunkier when they're dehydrated. I've done them both ways, super thin, and I've done them chunky, and I just like them chunky a little bit more. So that's what I do. I clean them over here, and then I will bring them over here, chop them, put them in the bowl, and then I will show you where I'm dehydrating them because it is 86 degrees outside, and I think, like, I don't know, the humidity is pretty high. So it's a hot day here in Michigan, and so I'll show you how and where I dehydrate. So I'm going to show you. This is our deck. This is my door. There's my kitchen, and this is where I have my dehydrator set up. I have a plug right over here next to my fountain, and this is where I have my table set up. So I am going to, now I don't have a tripod, so I'm doing this one hand. So I bring out the onions, and as you see, I already have some drawers completely full. So we're just going to go ahead and fill the next one, and we're going to get all of these trays filled up. Okay, so now I have all of my trays filled up. All right, they're all filled all the way down. I have, oh, you know, I can't remember offhand my model. I want to say it's a 3900. I think it's a 3900. So I will leave a link. I bought mine from Amazon with my own money. I have to say that. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just a mom. I don't do sponsored videos on my channel. I bought this with my own money, and I ordered it off of Amazon quite a few years ago. I think I have an unboxing video on this. But what's really nice about the Excalibur is that, and hopefully that you guys can see that because I can't because of the sun, but it has the drawing guide right on here. So herbs, raising bread, which I love doing, making yogurt, vegetables, fruit and fruit roll-ups, meats and fish, and of course jerky. We are going to be doing vegetables at 125. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my door on. Now my dehydrator did not come with this glass door. This was an extra purchase. Again, I bought it off of Amazon, but I like it because I can keep an eye on everything. The original door is solid. It's this material, and so I like the glass door a lot better. It also has the handles. It's just easier for me and my hands to get it on and off. So I will also leave a link to this door down below for you guys, because I know I get questions on that one all the time. So we are going to set this now to 125. Okay, and this is going to take, oh, you know, it all depends. The chunkier it is, a little bit longer that it takes to dry. So I'm going to say anywhere between 8 and 12 hours. But I will double check this. I'll check it this evening, and then I will check it again at tonight if it still needs drying time, which I don't think it will because green onions dehydrate pretty quickly. But if it needs extra time, what I'll do is I'll just bring this in the house, and I will finish it up overnight in my kitchen. I just, with it being so hot, having it out here on the deck is much easier, and it keeps the heat out here, and it works really well. So if you have a garage or a breezeway, you know, my garage is all the way downstairs. I have a bi-level house, so it's not easy for me to get to my garage. But if you have a garage or a breezeway, you could do it there too. This is where I find it easier when it's hot outside. dehydrate, and just put it outside and let it heat up the outdoors. So all right, guys, I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions at all, leave them down below. I will try my very best to answer them. But dehydrating is really fun. It's pretty easy, and it's a great way to put food up on your pantry shelf. I love green onions. I put them in everything, even the dehydrated ones. I put them a lot in casseroles, my soups, my stews, you know, anywhere you want. So you can rehydrate them if you want. I usually just throw them in the soup or the stew or the sauce or whatever I'm making, and the casserole, and I just throw them in and they rehydrate on their own. So all right, guys, with that, I am gonna get the kids in their bathing suits. It is a hot but glorious day here in Michigan, and that pool has my name on it. So with that, I will be seeing you guys very soon. Take care.